So I'm doing a 4-month update on my latex mattress that I built myself. There are various online websites where you can buy, you build your own mattress type thing. Most of them recommend 3 layers. Mine is a 4-layer mattress, only because I used the old casing from my previous air mattress type thing where you can adjust different sides. In the past 4 months, since I've upgraded changed the mattress from foam with air bladder and memory foam on top, to latex, which is firm, 2 mediums, and a soft. I haven't had any hip issues since then, which was one of the biggest reasons why I switched. So if you have any questions concerning it, ask in the comment section down below. This is going to be a really short video. Sleep is very comfortable on it. I wouldn't say it's as comfortable as the memory foam, but it's very, very close. And more importantly, I don't have the hip issues anymore. My joints are not funny, like dislocating or anything anymore. So it's a win for me. I will do another update in sometime in the future, but as of for now, I'm really happy with the buy. I would really like to test out the purple mattress one day, but they're crazy expensive, and they're supposed to be just selling just the grid part one day, but it's not on the market yet as of December 29th, 2020. So who knows, they'll start bringing that out soon, so people can just buy that part and stick it on top of their latex stuff like I got and try it out before going full blown with one of their mattresses. Like the video or don't like it, subscribe. Y'all have a good day.